my prototype, I decided to use Edmondo, which is kind of a mock Facebook for education. Um, as you can see, you have your own profile just like you would in Facebook. It takes a minute to load, but when it does, it tells you your experience. It introduces about you. Um, you can put your schedule up here for all your classes. It tells you about my educational background and my links, which is important because all students need to be able to hook to the school district's website. Same with parents, so it gives you the option to put whatever links you want on it. Um, when you go to the home screen, it actually looks like Facebook when it loads. Okay, so what's important about this and my plans to use it, I can create individual classes and I can post assignments, quizzes. I can do a poll, so I can ask a question and have them respond. I'm able to post my bell ringer for each day, and what that'll allow me to do is instead of wasting paper on a bell ringer, I can just go and see who's been on and tally through. This is also nice because students at home who aren't able to come to class are still able to participate. Back on the home screen, I'm able to connect with other teachers. As you can see here, Mrs. Marsh is actually somebody who I worked with in Virginia, and she also uses Edmondo, so I'm able to see what she's doing and scope out her classes. Not classes, but her information. I'm able to post our schedule. So I did last week's, and I haven't worked out all the kinks, so I'm not really sure what they see, but it tells I can put my agenda on for the day and they can go back and go through it and see what they missed or will be missing on a day that they'll have off. My favorite part about this is the library. I'm able to upload everything that I need for each class and put them in folders. So we just finished a short story called Charles, and on here I'm able to download and then upload the story for all the kids so they have access to the entire chunk of the textbook that we've used. I'm also able to upload all of our worksheets. So we did this and currently we're working in an interactive notebook, and my goal is to have a virtual binder where they can download and then type straight onto the worksheet and then save and upload for me to have. The process that I'm working with this is I've actually talked to my administration and they're on board for me doing a grant and trying to get each English department their own computer cart with 30 computers each. So doing the math, that's about 30 grand. So I don't know if that's going to work. However, all my other teachers that I've talked to about this and showed my progress of what I've done so far are actually on board and interested to do this. I'm able to post what's due. I can put comments, repost their assignment, and they're able to see how they did or what they need to improve on. The progress, I can go again per class. I can see what their grades are. Again, I don't have anything because I'm using this next year, but I'm able to personally message each student. I get notifications just like Facebook if they were to post something. And let me see anything else. See, I'm able to manage my apps. Like I said, this is all kind of new to me, so I'm still kind of working it out. I'm able to download lesson plans from other teachers, which is pretty neat too. Mhm. Able to upload my own lesson plans and worksheets, games for others to collect. Um, I do like when you open something from the library, it opens in a separate tab. So that allows kids to kind of go back and forth instead of having to backstep through the pages. I'm able to upload links, um, add something from the library or my Google Drive, which is nice because I use Google Docs for everything. Um, like I said, my goal overall is to have every student have access to this in all of my classes and go completely virtual for digital class and use this as supplementary work and um, relation to my class during class. So this is my Edmondo. If you have any questions, please just ask me. I don't know the ins and outs yet, but I am working on it. So This is my prototype. I've currently have 101 things uploaded to my library. I did my profile so far. I have messed with it and hooked it to Google Docs, and I was able to, I'll show you my outsiders. I was able to pull up a rubric that I've done on Google Docs, and it opens on Word Online. I hope that they're not able to mess with it online, but like I said, I haven't figured it out yet. But if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to share with what I've done so far.